In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save your tweets to Airtable and create a backup automatically. So I'm going to integrate Twitter and Airtable with the help of an automation software in such a way that whenever you make any tweet into your Twitter profile, the same tweet along with all details will be saved automatically into the Airtable, and in this way you can create a backup of your own tweets. So if you also want to set this automation for yourself, come with me and I will show you the whole process step by step. Now to automate this process, I'll have to build an integration in Twitter and Airtable, and I'm going to do that with the Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing integration and automation software, and I'm an existing user of Pabbly Connect. So here you can see I am already logged in, and you can also create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes, and you will also get free task in the free account. Now once you will reach to the dashboard, simply click on this blue button that is create workflow and provide any random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I'm providing the name something like save your tweet in Airtable and create a backup. Okay, now click on create, and then you will find 2 boxes in front of you. Okay, so these are actually trigger and action. So trigger means when this happens, action means do this. Whenever this happens, then automatically do this. Okay, understand with an example also. Whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, let's say, then automatically send an email via Gmail application. Okay, and according to our own use case, whenever any tweet is made by you into the Twitter application, then automatically save that tweet into the Airtable application. Okay, so this is how in this trigger and action window you will always have to select your preferred application. Okay, I have selected this Twitter and Airtable since I'm building an automation in between these applications. Okay, now the idea here is I'm going to connect Twitter with the Pabbly Connect, and then I'm going to capture all the tweet details. You can even read the instructions. Okay, triggers when you tweet something new. Okay, whenever I will tweet something new, the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect. For that, I'll have to first connect Twitter with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, when you'll click on this button, it will ask you the access of your Twitter account. Okay, I have already provided the access and I have already made the connections, so that is why I am going with the existing connection. But make sure if you are building this connection for the first time, you'll have to go with the new connection only. After that, you can also go with the existing connection. Okay, now when you will click on this button save and send test request, you will see the new tweet, whatever the most recent tweet you have made inside your Twitter's profile, it will capture all the details. So let me click on this button save and send test request, and let us check that which particular tweet it has fetched. Okay, so I'll have to check it. Alright, so it has fetched the text is something like green is the need of the hour. Let me check whether I have posted this particular tweet on my profile. Okay, so this is my Twitter profile, and let me check my latest tweet, my last tweet. And yes, on March 29th, I have made this tweet and it has fetched this detail. Now I'm going to make one more tweet in front of you so that I can show you how it is going to happen in real time. Okay, so I'm going to post this particular update on my Twitter profile. Okay, I have already prepared some random content. This is just a random content. Okay, and assume that I'm sharing some update about the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so it cannot take this much content, so I'll have to first remove this extra content from here. Alright, so I have deleted this extra content and I'm going to share this particular update, that is new update. Yesterday we have updated the data forwarder by Pabbly module. A new return custom response to the source action step is added. This model allows you to send a custom response back to the incoming webhook. Okay, so assume that I'm sharing this particular update with my audience by tweeting, by making a tweet into my profile. Okay, so let me check whether the tweet is successful or not. Yes, it is done. Now I will come back to Pabbly Connect, and then I'll click on this button once again, and this time I'm expecting to fetch that new tweet data, and here you can see the details is arrived. New update. Yesterday we updated the data forwarder by Pabbly model, and yes, it is the same tweet. Okay, so along with this tweet I also have other details, so I am looking for the tweet and just the date of this tweet. Okay, so I'll have to check where is the date. Alright, so here you can see that date is also fetched. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Pabbly Connect and Twitter is working absolutely fine. Now I am going to save this data, send this data into the Airtable applications so that I can create a backup of my own tweet. For that, I'll have to choose this create a record. Okay, firstly I'm going to create a record, and in that blank record the details will be added automatically. And again, just like I have connected Twitter and Pabbly Connect, now I'm going to connect Airtable and Pabbly Connect. And for the connection, it is asking me the token. Okay, so from where exactly I can fetch this token? Firstly, you will have to read these instructions carefully and then click on this hyperlink. Okay, and as per the instruction, it is saying that create a new token button. Okay, and then give a name, click on add a scope, and then I'll have to add these following scopes. Okay, so I'm going to do the same. This is that link. Okay, and here you can see create new token button. Let's provide any random name to this particular token. Okay, so I will provide the name something like connection with the Twitter. How about this? All right. Okay, and then as per the instructions, I'm going to add the following scope. Okay, so it was asking me to select this data records read, data records write, data record comments read, data record comments write, and then schema based read, schema based write, and lastly this webhook manage. Okay, so let me add these scopes one by one. Again, data record reads, alright, data record writes, then we have data records comments read, data records comment write, and then lastly the schema based read. Okay, I'll have to add 3 more, the schema based write, and lastly that webhook manage. Okay, so I have selected all the scopes. Lastly, it is also asking us to click on a add base and choose I'm sorry for that, and choose all workspaces option. Okay, so let me come back and also select the bases, and here I have selected all the bases. Simply click on this create a token, and this is how it will provide me the token. Okay, what it is saying, invalid name, token name must be unique. Okay, so how about I change this name something like connect with the Twitter. Okay, and then I'll be clicking on this create token button once again. All right, it has taken that name. Let me copy this token. Okay, and then come back, and then I'm going to paste this token and then click on save, and this is how the connection in between Airtable and Pabbly Connect will be successful. And here you can see it is connected. Now after the connection, it will ask you to select the base ID first. Okay, so whatever the bases I have created into my Airtable account have started visible inside Pabbly Connect. Okay, and I'm going to select which particular base, basically this all tweets backup, and here exactly in this particular base only I'm going to create a backup of all my tweets. Okay, so I just want the content of the tweet, and for the I want the date of the tweet, so that is why I have selected only these 2 columns. I have created only these 2 columns. Just in case if you want to collect more information, you can add more columns, and you can see whether you have that information in this above data or not. If you will find that information, you can add those details, you can collect those details as well. Okay, so let me select this particular base, that is all tweets backup. Okay, where is this all tweets backup? All right, here we have this. And secondly, in this case I just have a single table, that is table 1, and again it has got selected. Okay, asking to provide the tweet and the date. Well, these are the same 2 columns which I have added inside my base. Okay, so as soon as you are going to select this base ID, the respective fields, the below fields will be changed automatically based on your selection. Okay, and I don't need to manually copy the above tweet data and paste it here. Basically I'm going to map this data. Okay, and mapping is very simple. Okay, let me tell you how you can do that. Simply click on this particular field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Okay, let me search for my text for my tweet, and here we have that tweet with the name full text. Okay, so I have mapped. Now you must be thinking, what is this mapping? Okay, so if you will provide any data with the help of mapping, this data will automatically be replaced placed when this automation will work in real time. But just in case if you will provide any value here manually, this value remains same. Okay, so I want that this automation should work automatically in real time. So that is why I am mapping this data, and that is why mapping always plays a major role inside this automation. Okay, and this is how this automation is going to take place. Okay, enable the typecasting. Okay, I have kept it false. Click on save and send test request, and I'm really expecting this data to be added here. How about I first refresh my Airtable account. Alright, so here you can see the same tweet. Okay, let me maximize it so that I can show you the same tweet. Okay, that is new update. Yesterday we have updated the data forwarded by Pabbly. Okay, the same tweet along with the detail, along with the date, has been added automatically inside my Airtable account. Okay, here you can see the response was positive here. Okay, so this is how now onwards, every time you are going to make any new tweet here, the same tweet details will be added here into the Airtable automatically, that too in every 10 minutes. Why in every 10 minutes? Because the trigger here is the polling based, which will check for the new data in every 10 minutes. Okay, so just in case if your data is not getting updated in real time, just wait for the 10 minutes patiently. Okay, and then your data will surely be updated. Okay, so this is how you can automate this process by simply creating this automation inside Pabbly Connect just once. Okay, once you have created this automation inside Pabbly Connect, you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. You can even simply close Pabbly Connect. Okay, and just in case if you want to access this workflow, this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the shareable link of my workflow into the description box. Okay, simply click on this link and sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and the same workflow you will be able to access inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues, and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.